Blister beetles, belonging to the family Meloidae, are known for their deadly reputation, largely due to a toxic chemical compound called cantharidin found in their bodies. Cantharidin is a potent blistering agent that causes severe irritation upon contact with human skin, resulting in painful blisters. Historically, this compound has been utilized for various purposes, including in medicine as a treatment for warts and in folklore as an aphrodisiac under the name Spanish fly. However, its toxicity is not limited to external irritation. When ingested, blister beetles can be fatal, especially to livestock like horses and cattle. A few crushed beetles mixed into animal feed can lead to severe poisoning, often resulting in death. This makes blister beetles a serious threat to the agricultural industry, particularly in areas where they infest crops like alfalfa. While humans are less likely to ingest these beetles, accidental exposure through skin contact or consumption of contaminated food can have severe consequences, including organ failure. Blister beetles' toxicity extends their threat to a variety of species, and their widespread presence in many regions makes them a persistent danger. Though they are not aggressive insects, the sheer potency of cantharidin and the volume of beetles often found in affected crops make them difficult to manage. Moreover, there is no antidote for cantharidin poisoning, making prevention crucial. Livestock, particularly horses, are extremely sensitive to cantharidin, and the ingestion of just a few beetles can result in colic, fever, and eventual death. Even small doses are known to damage the gastrointestinal and urinary tracts. In addition to livestock, wildlife and even humans can suffer from accidental contact with blister beetles. This combination of environmental pervasiveness, toxicity, and lack of treatment options cements blister beetles as one of the deadliest insects, particularly in areas where agriculture is vital. Their impact is not just a biological threat but an economic one as well. Locusts are widely considered one of the most dangerous insects on Earth, not because of individual lethality but due to the sheer scale of the destruction they can cause. Locusts are a type of short-horned grasshopper, and when environmental conditions are right, they undergo a remarkable transformation into a gregarious, swarming phase. In this phase, locusts form massive swarms that can include billions of individuals, covering hundreds of square miles. These swarms devour all vegetation in their path, leading to widespread agricultural devastation. A large locust swarm can consume as much food in a day as tens of thousands of people, making them a significant threat to food security, especially in vulnerable regions of Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. Throughout history, locust swarms have been responsible for some of the worst recorded famines, leading to human suffering on an unprecedented scale. They destroy crops, decimate pastures, and leave entire regions barren, contributing to economic collapse and food shortages. The deadly impact of locusts extends beyond immediate crop loss. They can have a long-term ecological and social toll on affected areas. Locust outbreaks exacerbate food insecurity, particularly in regions already grappling with poverty and climate change. In addition, the economic fallout can be staggering, as farmers and governments face enormous costs to control the swarms and recover from the damage. Despite advances in pest control technologies, locust swarms remain a formidable challenge to contain, often moving swiftly and covering great distances. The unpredictability of locust outbreaks, combined with their voracious appetites and ability to reproduce rapidly, makes them one of nature's most feared pests. Although they do not directly harm humans by biting or stinging, their ability to trigger famines and economic ruin gives locusts a unique place among the world's deadliest insects. Their capacity to create widespread devastation across multiple continents emphasizes their role as a significant threat to human well-being and global agriculture. The assassin caterpillar, specifically the Lonomia obliqua, is regarded as one of the deadliest insects in the world due to its potent venom and ability to cause fatal envenomation in humans. Native to South America, particularly Brazil, this seemingly harmless caterpillar is covered in spines or bristles that contain a highly toxic venom. When touched, the venom from these spines enters the victim's bloodstream, triggering a series of severe and potentially lethal reactions. The most dangerous effect of Lonomia obliqua venom is its ability to cause disseminated intravascular coagulation, DIC, a condition in which the blood begins to clot excessively, depleting clotting factors and leading to uncontrollable internal bleeding. This can result in hemorrhage, kidney failure, and even death. Fatalities have been recorded in areas where humans unknowingly come into contact with these caterpillars, making them a hidden but deadly threat in certain forested regions. What makes the assassin caterpillar particularly dangerous is its capacity to blend into its surroundings, making it difficult for people to notice until it's too late. Often found on tree trunks and foliage, the caterpillar's camouflage allows accidental contact, increasing the risk of envenomation. The symptoms of lonomia envenomation can escalate quickly, beginning with mild pain or irritation at the site of contact and progressing to systemic effects such as severe bleeding, bruising, and organ failure. There is currently no widespread anti-venom, and treatment often involves managing the clotting disorder and preventing further hemorrhage. Given the caterpillar's ability to cause multiple deaths over the years, it stands as one of the most dangerous insects in the world, not because of aggression but due to the lethality of its venom and its ability to cause fatal systemic conditions in humans. The assassin caterpillar, despite its small size and slow-moving nature, earns its fearsome reputation through its silent but deadly impact. Fire ants, particularly the Solenopsis invictus species, are considered one of the deadliest insects due to their aggressive behavior, painful sting, and their capacity to cause significant harm to both humans and animals. Native to South America but now invasive in many parts of the world, including the southern United States. These ants are known for attacking in large numbers when their nests are disturbed. Each fire ant delivers multiple stings that inject venom-containing alkaloid compounds known as solenopsins, which cause intense burning pain and can lead to allergic reactions, including anaphylaxis in sensitive individuals. In some cases, if untreated, these allergic reactions can be fatal. Fire ants have also been known to attack livestock, wildlife, and even electrical equipment, causing extensive damage in agricultural and urban environments. Their rapid spread, ability to adapt to various environments, and fierce defense mechanisms make them a major threat to ecosystems and human health alike. Beyond their immediate physical harm, fire ants are considered deadly due to their profound ecological and economic impact. Their aggressive colonization often leads to the displacement of native species, disrupting local biodiversity and threatening endangered wildlife. The ants' ability to survive floods by forming rafts, their highly organized social structure, and their reproductive rate allow them to outcompete other species quickly. In agricultural settings, fire ants can devastate crops and cause significant losses by attacking young plants, seeds, and small animals. Furthermore, the medical costs associated with treating fire ant stings, particularly for those with severe allergic reactions, combined with the resources required for pest control efforts, contribute to their notoriety as a dangerous and costly insect. Their widespread presence, adaptability, and painful sting, capable of causing both immediate harm and long-term ecological damage, cement fire ants as one of the most dangerous insect species in the world. The Asian giant hornet, Vespa mandarinia, earns its deadly reputation as one of the world's most dangerous insects due to its sheer size, aggressive behavior, and potent venom. Native to parts of East and Southeast Asia, these hornets are the largest in the world, with queens reaching over 5 centimeters in length. Their powerful stings are extremely painful and contain a potent venom that can cause tissue necrosis and potentially lethal allergic reactions, including anaphylaxis. Unlike honeybees, which lose their stingers after one sting, Asian giant hornets can sting multiple times, injecting larger doses of venom with each attack. For those allergic to the venom or stung multiple times, the risk of death increases significantly. In Japan alone, dozens of fatalities are reported annually due to Asian giant hornet stings. Furthermore, the venom contains cytotoxins and neurotoxins that can damage tissues, attack the nervous system, and cause organ failure in severe cases. Even those without venom allergies may suffer from kidney failure and other life-threatening conditions after repeated stings. What makes the Asian giant hornet even more deadly is its impact on honeybee populations, which are critical to pollination and agriculture. A single hornet can kill dozens of bees in minutes, and a small group can decimate entire hives. They use their powerful mandibles to decapitate honeybees, especially targeting European honeybees, which have little defense against them. This devastation not only threatens local ecosystems but also poses a severe risk to food production, as honeybees are vital pollinators for many crops. The hornet's ability to inflict damage both directly through its venomous sting and indirectly by destroying bee populations makes it a significant threat to human health and the environment. While not inherently aggressive toward humans, Asian giant hornets will attack when their nests are disturbed, and their capacity to sting repeatedly and in groups magnifies their danger. Their size, venom potency, and ecological impact make them one of the most feared and deadliest insects in the world.